Hey everybody, so it's about 12:39 in the morning and we're going out of town tomorrow, and look at my hair. Like, I need to do something to my hair. Okay, I'm not the hair girl. I'm not your average hair girl like, oh my god, I can do the best slick back ponytail, I can braid. No, this is just a hurry up, let me do my hair before I go to town, because I'm a mom, my kids are asleep, and I'm in a rush, and I didn't get my hair braided, which I normally do. So how to do your hair when you don't have no one else to do it and you're crunched for time. So I really want to do a slick back braid ponytail but I'm not the best braider, and I don't know who gonna hold the hair while I braid it. But if I figure it out, that's what I'm gonna do. If not, I'm just gonna do a slick back ponytail. Alright, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my videos and share them. It's a family channel. We do vlogs, you know, fun stuff with the kids. We do hair tutorials. I'm basically a mom who's trying to make it, you know, like doing their hair, things that work for them, growing their hair. But this is not a hair blog. This is not a hair channel. So subscribe.
See through Smiths. Yeah, it's all love. We them see-through Smiths, tryna run them views up, and we thankful for every click. We gon' keep the family close, and you gon' help us get rich. If you see us out in public, take a flick. What's that? Like the way you help me spread this love on a day-to-day. We the see-through Smiths. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section, preferably saying how much you love us.
Okay, so my hair is kind of straight. Let me show you. My hair is kind of straight, so I'm not gonna wet it because this is gonna be harder to manage. So I'm gonna do a part because I look cute with parts. I can't find my comb with the silver, you know, end. So this is the best I can do. I hope it's straight enough. Alright, straight enough for me. Make sure you need to tangle in your hair. You start from the ends. It's way easier. I don't even know why it's tangled. It's really not tangled. I'm just tender-headed. This is probably why the hair girls wet their hair, but I didn't want to wet it. Because I'm going to be using that Got To Be. And you know that stuff, you want it to go all through your hair. It's all detangled. All right. I'm gonna be using this to slick my hair down. Got To Be. So I'm gonna do the back first, and then I'm gonna do the top. So I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna slick it back for y'all. I'm not a baby hair person. I don't have all them extra baby hairs to be slicking down. I'm gonna just slick down what I got. I'm gonna just slick down my hair. I'm not the baby hair girl. It'd be cute, but I'm just not about to. I don't got all the extra stuff like y'all. So I'm gonna just leave a little bit of side out. That's too long. Wrong thing. Oh Lord, y'all done messed the part up. There you go. I'm trying to go quick because I got a baby in there with an ear infection and I'm not trying to get wake her up in the middle of this. Let me know if y'all have any other cute hairstyles I can do quick and easy. That's slick. Boom. That's slick. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Now for this side. I'm going pretty fast, huh? I'm talking to y'all like y'all gonna be like, yeah girl, you gonna go fast. You going fast. Just say it while you're watching the video. Words of affirmation. She is awesome. She is going fast. That baby is not gonna wake up. I'm actually like, this is like an outlet for me because like I've been going all day. Like I went to the doctor, I celebrated with my son, picked up kids from school, dressed kids from school. I haven't laid down, so I'm like enjoying this moment, you know, like me alone, no kids. I love them to death. Uh-oh. I just need a moment. Everybody need a moment. Think of you as my diary. Dear diary, I slicked down my hair today with no interruptions. Oh, let me turn. I'm sorry, I'm being selfish looking in the mirror. My hair about to be super hard. It's curling up. That's why I didn't wet it, because I feel like it's easier to manage. Alright, I'm about to pull this back. I start panicking when my hair curl up because I don't want it to be curly in the ponytail. I want it to be as straight as possible. Oh! I might need to do another one of these. I don't even know why I tried to put that little black rubber band on my hair. Alright. Okay, so this is what we got. I'm gonna slick my edges down really quick. Boom. That's as good as it's gonna get, okay? Hold on, wait. I don't know what that thing doing right there. Hold on. Yo, why y'all playing with me in these edges? Okay, I think this is fine, okay? I'm not doing the edges like y'all. That's not my thing. I'm not finna take it away from y'all. So I'm gonna tie my hair up so it can set a little bit. While my hair is drying a little bit, I'm going to make a ponytail. This is Lulu Tressed hair, $4.99, okay? I don't know where I got it from. It's $4.99. It's wavy. I'm gonna take this and pull it. See, it's gonna be like this, and then I'm gonna add it to my hair. So this is gonna be super gross. Don't do this at home. I'm gonna hold this in my mouth and I'm gonna braid it. This is not thick enough. I need more hair. I'm gonna use 2 packs, okay? Because that was about to be ugly. Super ugly. So. I'm gonna keep a little piece out because I know I'm gonna need something to wrap around that braid. Mind you, I don't know how I'm gonna wrap it around, but I'm gonna figure it out because that's what we do. We figure it out. Alright, don't do this at home. Once again, I'm gonna put this in my mouth and braid it because I don't have nobody up to hold it. Okay, this hair is super tangly. So, yeah. See, it started off really good and then it just got bad. Hey, but that's okay. It's gonna be one of them loose looking ponytails, okay? This we're gonna go with. I left some little curly pieces out. Thought that would be kind of cute. Don't know how it came out to y'all. But yeah, don't use this hair. It's tangly. But it's not bad. I guess it could be like a messy look. My hair is not dry. But I'm going to take it down for the video. And I'm going to... Okay, you girl. You doing it. Alright, I'm going to put my hair in a bun. I'm going to twist it and put it in a bun. That's not working. Should I put another rubber in? I know I wasn't supposed to do that, but I'm not about to be out here with my pink hair showing. I'm going to take this and wrap it under. And I'm going to twist it. I'm going to wrap it around a couple times. Alright, so this is my ponytail. I think it's kind of cute. I don't know what I did back there. But I mean, it's on here. I think I look cute. I think you can't really see my flyaways. I'm gonna probably cut them a little bit. But don't you like it? Isn't it cute and simple? Alright, y'all, make sure you subscribe to my videos. Thanks for watching. I was looking up because I can see myself in my camera by looking up. So I'm not retarded. I was just looking up so I can make sure my hair look right. I think I look super cute. Give me a big thumbs up, as my kids say, and subscribe to our videos. Thanks for watching. Y'all, I did this, okay? Y'all understand? I was like, how am I about to look going to New Orleans? Like, what am I gonna look like? Like, I was looking ratchet, but I feel like I look good. I mean, like, don't I? Thanks. Bye.